So today, welcome back, thank you. Today, where am I? I can't even see where I'm at. I can barely see that. So I ran a pipe from here to here. And these are gonna be for the outside lights. So I did one there to there. I already can't even see where I'm at, y'all. Sorry about that. So one from top of this box, I 90'd up, down and around, and then went out from this box over to that outside light, and then out of that box to that outside light because that's the emergency box. So I had to come from the normal lighting over, then hop over, and then I took the normal power up and over the truss into the room over there, and then the emergency one up and over the truss into that room as well. I feel like that's all I did today. I can't remember. Anyways, super fast day. Went pretty well, except for the part where I mounted the box right there because I thought that hole was for me. So I just had to take the pipe off and extend it 10 more feet over there. So it's really the only thing I messed up on because I assumed that was for me. So just another lesson, stop assuming things. If you don't know what you're doing, just ask. Would have saved me some time, but other than that, it was a really good day. And oh, and I also did this pipe right here. Just started to go around the corner down there. It's gonna go back to the panel, and that's gonna be for a giant 16-foot fan right here, hanging down or whatever. So just have to finish the rest of that whenever they decide to. So for the most part, I think most of this is done. I'll try to show you the print. So this is kind of what the blueprint looks like. This is what the light fixture looks like. There's two lights and one box or whatever, that's the design. So one light there, one light there, one light there, which is how I have it right there. That one's tied to that one, that one's tied to that one, there. And then it jumps across over to there, and then it goes one over. So that's the normal lighting. And then you got the emergency lighting right there, which is tied to there, but I ran it this way around there. And then I just took both of the powers, the emergency one into this room, and then this regular one into this room. And then, so this lighting, I just tapped off of there, and then tapped off of there, and then tapped off there, and then back out of there. So yeah, so I still have to do this one, and this emergency one has to come around, and then another normal one back over here. So I just have to figure out how they want to do that because there's stairs right there, and this goes into the room, so I'll probably have to come up and over the rafters over there. So anyways, that's what I got going on here. So there's the big 16-foot fan. I'm not sure what the rest of this stuff is. What these? So that's occupancy sensor. I'm not sure what the HB stands for, but it's occupancy sensor. So yep. All right, guys. Thanks for the support. I appreciate it. Thanks for making it through the video. I appreciate that as well. Thanks for stopping by. Man, I'm saying a lot of thank yous today. Appreciate the 850 subscribers. It means a lot to me. Just knowing that you guys are out there coming back daily just makes me feel important, even though I don't know what I'm going to say after that, but appreciate it, guys. It means a lot to me, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully that blueprint helped you out a little bit if you're wondering. So that's what I've been working on. So thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you later. One more thing, guys. I was thinking about it last night. 850 subscribers, or 854, 55. So anyways, it's always awesome to watch the number go up, but when you stop and think about it, that's a lot of people, and I just want to truly thank you guys. It means a lot to me. Don't want to take it for granted or anything like that. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you got any questions, drop them down in the comments. See you guys later. Appreciate it. God bless.